Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to delete Facebook account permanently. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Open the Facebook app on the phone. It could be iPhone or Android. The process is same. Tap on the three lines icon on the upper left corner. In this menu, tap on Settings and Privacy and then tap Settings. Here on the top, you will find Meta Accounts Center section. Tap on the See More in Accounts Center. In the Accounts Center, under Account Settings, tap on the Personal Details. Here tap on the Account Ownership and Control. Tap Deactivation or Deletion. Select the profile. In case you have multiple accounts, tap on the one that you want to delete. Tap Delete Account and then tap Continue. Now you will get quick overview of what data will be deleted during the profile deletion process. Tap Continue. From the list of options, select the one you find suitable. I will go with I no longer find Facebook useful and tap Continue. Here tap Continue again. Now you will be provided with option to keep Messenger by deactivating the account, save post in archive and export data. Tap Continue. Now you will be asked to enter the password to confirm the action. Enter it and tap Continue. Now this is the last step. Tap on the Delete Account button and confirm if it asks to do so. After doing this, Facebook keeps your account for 30 days. If your mind changes, then you can regain your account in this time period. And this is how to delete Facebook account. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.